All right, welcome back, Smile Jammers. What kind of leadership does Jamaica need now? We asked on social media, and here's what you had to say.
So, Deidre Bless, JLP, Andrew Holness and his team, they have the heart of the people. They will continue making Jamaica a better place to live. He represents the island overseas with intelligence. I'm proud to be called a Jamaican with his leadership.
Sophia Marshall, 65, says a leader of honesty and integrity does what is best for the country, despite what others say, and will make a change for the new generation. Also, someone who will defend the people, especially when it comes to our utility companies.
All right, simplicity underscore at underscore it's underscore best. A leader that can transform goals into reality, one with integrity and is not afraid to make bold decisions that at times are not in accord with the popular view, but is the right one for our long-term goals.
K underscore Nats underscore Hutch simply says visionary leadership.
Well, there you go.
Yeah. Those are really some solid points. Boy, sometimes I tell you, heavy is the head that wears the crown, because you usually say the one that's willing to make the decision that may not necessarily be the popular view. Sometimes that one is very hard to do.
Yeah, man.
Very hard to do.
Plus, your Prime Minister pothole is your fault. We don't have no water, your fault.
We sick of your fault.
If we have no power, your fault. So sometimes I wonder why you put up yourself, because it's a special person who will go through all of that and take all that licks every single day. No matter what you do, there are always going to be people who say, no, man, how foolish is that? That don't make no sense. No matter how good it is for the country or good it is for people, that will happen.
Yeah.
But, so, there you look absolutely amazing. I forgot to tell you at the start. We're going to look like two canaries this
morning. You're voting on my consequence. You're voting on my consequences.
No, man, I vote for anything.
Me and a member of parliament.
Me hear something yesterday. You have YouTube channel or something, so?
I do.
So I don't know these things.
You see?
When I'm sleeping, you're doing things behind my back.
You see that? You see your wife say, I don't wake you,
Yeah.
I don't wake you. I don't say, I'm going to go work, I wake my husband. I say, make my husband sleep.
I love you. I love you. So tell me about this.
Yeah, so one of the newest projects, well, we're at episode 11.
So how long time you have it? So long me I sleep?
Yeah.
Eh? So I can get a YouTube channel?
Anybody can get a YouTube channel.
So you can earn from it, Andy?
Well, it's a little bit tricky. You have to make sure you're putting out content consistently, and content that people want to watch.
So yours is what?
I do different things, plays, but now I'm doing a series called Forever I Do. And it's I've interviewed couples who have been married between 5 months to 48 years.
Wow.
And talking to them about things like how they met, why did they decide to get married, what's marriage been like, their first date. So it's but it's frank, real fun. I think Twain and Tamika
were on yesterday.
Yes. Simone's parents are going to be on soon. Vincent and Novlet.
So when we talk about
Lord, that's going to be a whole series by itself.
I want to talk about our long-standing relationship.
But funny enough, somebody called me and just said, "Did you say uncle married people? You're not going to talk to single people to where I look at husband or a wife." I said, well, I'm going to think about it. It may have some merit. COVID time. People can't go meet people, so
yeah, true.
I'm going to start with Sheffield.
Yeah. By the way, folks, I want to thank you for being a part of our show this morning with the social media talkback. After the break, we will check in with Team PNP, so stay with us. Then we're going to check in with Team JLP afterwards. So,
two teams.
Yeah, as I said, don't get twisted.
Yes.
So we'll soon come back. Stay with us, please.
Sheffield, I'm going to... Why?